Here we go, let's do it.
This is all going
God.
down. I'm not sipping this. I'm gonna take the whole thing because if I sip
Okay,
it,
I'm sipping it. I might not drink the whole thing.
That's gonna be terrible.
I might not drink the whole thing. I want to try it first.
Alright,
But I want to see Elden just knock it back.
if I sip it and I don't like it, I'm not drinking it anymore.
Alright.
That's a scary thought. I might go with 2 gulps here.
Alright,
Let's
here we
not
go.
do this right over the chest.
No, let's do it. Alright, here we go.
1, 2,
Bottoms
3.
up.
Oh, that's not that bad.
Woo. Oh, that's that bad. That's that bad. That's that bad.
Who's that? Oh god!
Oh my god!
I need some water. Here, I need water.
Oh my god!
I'm tearing up.
Justin drinking water and Elden drinking water.
I only took a sip.
Oh my god, Elden took a sip. I had it. How was it? Pretty good.
It hurts.
I'm gonna cry.
How much did you
The whole thing.
drink the whole thing? Oh my god. I have to go buy more of these tomorrow. This is so bad.
Just gargling.
Oh man.
I think my ulcer is now healed or worse. I'm not sure.
I should have had like one sip. My mouth
You
is
drank the
still on
whole thing
fire.
too? They both drank the whole thing. That's why.
Oh my god. How was it, Elden?
It's not good.
Justin, how are you feeling?
It's no bueno.
You're drooling.
Yeah.
I spit some on my chin, and like it dripped down my chin is
Oh my
actually
God,
kind of
like-
burning.
I can feel it like going down like my whole chest.
Oh
Where did
my
you find that from? That is not. Oh, I can't stop